That is, one more time, Willard, Ayton, Bowe, Shoemate, Coble, Watson, Miller, Barfield, Newton. Keep it clean. Give me a good space between each car. This time out of 4. Track is hot. Easy, guys, easy. 1 and 2 cars everywhere. Get them quick, get them quick. Got a long ways to go in this one. Plenty of time to make up ground. Get him quick, get him quick. 30 seconds in, 3:30 to go. Ayton on top, Coble second, Willard, Watson, Newton. Watson and Newton battling back and forth. Barfield, Miller, Shoemate. Again, guys, this is race number 4, race number 4. Race 5, some of these guys are running back to back. We will give them time to change the body and change the battery. Race 5 is B4 Super. Trouble on the front. One down, 3 to go. Ronnie Ayton showing the way. Coble, Bowe, Willard, Miller, Barfield, Shoemate, Newton, Watson. Coming up on the halfway mark, Coble taking over the top spot this time by 8 and second, Willard third, Bowe, Miller, Shoemate, Barfield, Newton, Watson. 2 down, 2 to go, 2 down, 2 to go. Race 4 is on the track. Race 5, you're up next. Race 5, you're up next. Race 6, 1/10 and over the late model. Get them ready after race 5. .220 in, 140 to go. Get him quick, get him quick, get him quick. Easy, guys, easy. Behind you, boy. That's good, that's good. Coming up on the 1 minute mark, guys. 3 down, 1 to go, 3 down, 1 to go. Coble, Ayton, Willard, Bowe, Shoemate, Miller, Newton, Barfield, Watson. This is race 4. This is race 4. Race 5, B4 Super. You're up next. I know some of you guys got to change bodies and batteries. We'll get it done and get it in. Get it quick for you. Get it quick. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Racers, race until I call your name. Race until I call your name. $20 seconds, guys. 20 seconds. Miller, you're done. Barfield, Watson, Shoemate, Willard, Coble, Ayton, you are done. As a race, guys, Mike Coble taking the win. 38.403. I need the top 3 cars to the booth. Straight from the track to the booth, please.